I'm Miss Daru. I'm the founder of Dread House, and what we have today here is the Instant Locs Machine, which is an automatic locking machine. It can form dreadlocks, and it also helps to form lock extensions. And I've been selling them all over the world to locticians who have been experiencing hand and body pain because it saves our wrists from having to move back and forth continuously. Now that this is automatic, so when we press the button, the crochet needles inside of it, there's 3 in total, and they move back and forth. And as we slide the hair through, it starts to lock. So this is what you get when you get your lock machine. You get the power box right here. The power box has 7 speeds to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you get the plug for the wall. So when you plug it in, you want to make sure it's on the lowest setting. The top one is the lowest setting. So this is what it sounds like on this lowest setting. This is what it sounds like on the next one. The third. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. And the 7th. Woo-wee! Yes, that's the fastest setting. You never want to start on the fastest setting. That's the easiest way to cut your hair off. So you always want to make sure you start on the slowest setting. And before you even use the Instant Locs Machine, you want to make sure that you build a nice foundation for your machine to work off of. It's still a machine, so it needs the human touch. So I'm gonna get some hair. Today we're gonna be working with this hair. It is Caniculon afro hair. So I'm gonna get this, the double prong crochet needles, and I'm gonna fold it in half and start crocheting it a little. I like using this one, but this one can also be used. This is called a beater, and this is called a crochet latch hook. All right, so that's how you pull it through. So, and make sure that it's on its lowest setting, and then I begin to pull it through, but you gotta go back and forth. And then as I see that it's locking well, I turn it up a little bit. Turn it up a notch. Then I'm starting to feel it's getting really, really mature. So I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. Just so I can make sure I'm able to penetrate through the lock. Now this is years worth of locks being created within seconds. So we're starting over again since this part is soft. But before we do that, check out how hard this lock is. It's super, super strong. There's no way that it can break apart. And then as you keep going, it gets longer and longer. Oh, I forgot to speed it up. I sped it up twice. And that's what helps it go faster. After it's matured a little bit, that's when you speed it up. Because it's getting thicker and it's harder for the needles to pass through if it's on a lower speed. Oh my gosh, it's just like magic. Like, it's just so crazy to be witnessing this right now and to be a star seller in the field of lock machines. And I'm thankful to be able to teach the world how to use these. Okay, I'm gonna just stop because I know some of y'all girls out there like the curly ends. So I always make sure I leave some hair here. That way I would like just cut this part and then attach the loose hair to someone else's locks, or in order to extend the locks. So these can work as lock extensions. And this is what just made it. The Instant Locs Machine. I feel it. It feels so big. Right? It's a whole lock. Like, this machine just made that. Okay, well, we're gonna do it again, but we're gonna be using the newest machine on the market. So this one is called the Instant Locs Machine 2.0. You hear me? You feel me? Get into it. So this button right here is going to be the start button. And when it's down, that's how you know it's on. When it's up, that's when it's off. And this one only comes with 2 sizes. This one is a little bit smaller than this one. This is the standard size. And then this one is just a little bigger than this one. But size does matter. On the other hand, ooh, it barked. It's like, nah. But yeah, this Instant Locs Machine has 6 head attachments in total. This covers a lot of lock sizes. This one is the thickest one for people who want wicks or who have wicks. And this one is the smallest size for those who want like a micro lock look. Skinnier locks, and you know the average size is here. And then this one, this has 3 in total for right now until we upgrade. And so I'm gonna put this together. All right, so this also comes with a power box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 settings. I'm gonna connect this here and connect this here. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's on the lowest setting first. Whoa, that's powerful. Very powerful. That's the lowest setting. Let me make sure. Sheesh, what it sound like on the highest one? Y'all ready? I'm gonna just go straight to the highs. I'm gonna go straight to the highs. Okay, let's do the lowest speed. Okay, the lowest speed right now. I'm gonna go to the second highest. Okay, this is the lowest. That's what the needle doing. We gotta put some hair in it and see how it works. We gotta see it. Okay, I got 2 pieces of hair, and it's the Caniculon hair. Fold it in half. I always like to have a little bit of a foundation, just in case. So I'm using this 2-prong crochet needle to crochet it together real quick before I put it through the machine. It probably doesn't need this at all though. I literally could probably just put it through and it's gonna automatically lock it. So my favorite tool to use is the crochet latch hook. So I'm gonna put it through this way. Wait a minute. Oh my. Okay, so when this happens, this is what you can do. I saw there was a little bit of needle hanging out, and that may have latched onto the hair, causing it to not go through smoothly. So this handle right here makes the needles go back, and it pulls back and hides behind the head completely. So making it should be way easier to pull it through now. So I'm gonna twist this just so it can be a little separated. So this won't be the same size as the other one, but it's gonna do something. It's still gonna form a lock. Yeah, that's much better. That I'm pulling it from the bottom. So take it off. So I'm gonna give the hair about 1.5 inches. And look, it's on the highest one, so I need to make sure I turn it down all the way down to the lowest one, because you never want to start on the highest speed. All right, so after that, I just press this button here on the top, and it stays. I no longer have to keep my hand on it. This works much faster. Cause watch this, I'm gonna turn it up. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. This is so cool. Wow. This actually is really, really good. And it works much faster than the other machines. That's why this is the Instant Locs Machine 2.0. Sheesh. Wow. And this really looks like a real lock with the curly ends. Yeah, I will cut this so I could be able to attach it to my client's head. But wow, look how strong this is. Like, I'm trying to pull it apart. Jay, come over here and help me pull this lock apart. So, my brother's gonna help me try to see how strong it is to make sure you're getting top quality equipment. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Grab this out. Okay, try to pull it. No, don't wrap it around your arm, man, hands. Alright, go ahead. Yes, it's very strong, as you can see. Yes. Now let's try with your hair. So you can see his hair is still bouncy, very soft, because they're still maturing. How long have you had dreadlocks for?
Ever since January 2022.
2022, January 22? What? 2022? So it's about to be
2 years in January.
Oh, 2 years. No, if he got it in 2022, then that means 2023.
May 1.
Oh, it already passed. Oh, okay, so 2 years, and it still is not as mature as this. Dang. So this is a thicker lock though, but this is the results. Instant Locs Machine 2.0 versus
The
regular Instant Locs Machine. Yeah. If you want to try this out for yourself, go to instantlocsmachine.com and we will take care of you. We'll make sure you get the Instant Locs Machine that you need. And feel free to reach out to me, shoot me a message, and I will get right with you. We have the Instant Locs Machines 1.0 and 2.0. These lock machines are for professional locticians only. So make sure you get yours today.